How to access Ivory platform. Log in and update your information, as it is essential to obtain the certificate at the end of the training program. Click on Edit to save your changes. From the menu, select the current training programs and click on Details to view any specific information related to the training program. Sessions. Attendance and departure are recorded in Sessions. From Sessions, you can join the training session if you are attending online, or access the venue if you are attending in person. The agenda presents the topics for each session. By clicking on the training material, a PDF file will appear that includes the program material. Exams, a pre-test, a post-test, and regular tests, both of which must be completed to receive the certificate. The answers are displayed by clicking on the Show Test button. Evaluations. There are 2 evaluations. The first one is completed at the end of the first training day. And the second is completed after finishing the training program. Activities. Activities are submitted by the trainer if available. Click on Submit Activity to upload files and complete the activity as required. Certificates. The certificate is extracted via a PDF file.